To set password on application on Redmi Note 15, start by opening the system settings. Next, you have to navigate into the applications screen, and over here you will have to click on this three dots in the right upper corner. You have to go for the app lock. This is the feature that we are looking for. We have to click the turn on. Right now we can input the pattern or change the password method, but in my case the pattern will be enough. Click next. You can add Xiaomi account to be able to reset the password for your app lock, but not in my case. So I'm gonna select not now, wait for the 4 seconds and click not now. Now we can already select those applications. This is the default recommendation, so this is up to your preferences, but let's say I want to lock those 3 apps. I want to set a password, and as you can see over here, you can even use your fingerprint, but you don't have to. That's up to your preferences. And now if you want to set a password or any application, just click on this switcher. And there's one setting that I can recommend you to change. You have to go here and now switch the lock settings method from when the device is locked, when the device is locked, or after you exiting the application. Thanks for watching this short video.